Hey guys, welcome at homeguideinfo.com. Our today's topic is about GE washer H2O supply error. In this video, I will explain the possible causes for occurring H2O supply error, along with the solutions to fix the issue. Let's get started. Indeed, General Electric washing machines are highly reliable. Part of this reliability is their ability to promptly call your attention to minor problems, which can quickly snowball into more prominent and challenging to tackle. General Electric washing machine error codes pop up at the most unexpected times, just as you have it now or might have later. So pay close attention to the ultimate fix for this all-common GE washer error code. A H2O supply error code indicates that the washer senses inadequate water filling in the washer's chamber. This is usually due to a compromised water supply volume secondary to a blockage, closure of the water inlet valve, or faulty water inlet hoses. What does H2O supply mean on a GE washer? H2O error code indicates a few things depending on the GE washer model you are using. First, for one reason or the other, either the water inlet valve and water inlet hoses are not supplying an adequate volume of water to the washer. Hence, the washing machine error code. How do you clear the error code on a GE washing machine? First and foremost, diagnosing the underlying condition responsible for the washing machine error code is essential. In this case, the practical test that would aid accurate diagnosis is the T06 pressure switch test. To get into the test mode, press the washing machine power button for about 10 seconds while rotating the selection knob. The machine would switch to the test mode. All details on how to run this diagnostic test are detailed in the user manual packaged with your General Electric washer. If the T6 pressure switch test is positive, the problem is neither coming from the water inlet valve nor the water inlet hoses. Instead, the issue to be fixed most likely lies outside the GE washing machine. The main water supply or the circuit board most likely is the problem's source. Once you have been able to proffer an adequate solution to the underlying problem, washer error codes of this sort would disappear. Once again, you would use the GE washing machine without such promptings and error codes. How do you clean the filter on a GE washing machine? Keeping the filter clean at all times is very important to preventing pop-ups of several washer error codes. This is especially water supply error codes, which would most likely pop up when the filter leading to the water inlet valve and water inlet hoses have been clogged up with a buildup of dirt. Find below an outline on keeping the filter clean on GE washing machines. Switch off the GE washing machine and disconnect from the mains power supply. Turn off the main water supply connected to the GE washer. Pull off the water inlet valve and water inlet hose from the main water supply. Drain all the residual water from the water inlet hose. Detach the water inlet valve from the GE washer's back panel. On some models, you would have to unscrew in the anti-clockwise direction to loosen and disconnect the water inlet hose and water inlet valve from the GE washer. Handle very carefully to avoid displacement of the rubber washer inside this water inlet valve. At this point, the filter is exposed to the body of the GE washer. You have removed the water inlet valve and inlet hose from the spot. Now, pull out the filter from its holder. Clean both the inner and outer portions carefully and thoroughly under clean running water. After proper, thorough cleaning, the filter should have a bright and clean metallic appearance. Now, reinsert into its original position. Reconnect the water inlet valve and water inlet hose by screwing in the clockwise direction until the connector knob fits perfectly into position. Reconnect the other end of the water inlet valve and water inlet hose to the main water supply. Switch on the water supply to enable water flow to the GE washing machine. Ensure you turn on the main water supply after all the above procedures have been duly observed. Furthermore, if the water inlet valve filter gets clogged up with dirt too often, it is advised that you check your primary source of water supply. The main tank might need to be correctly washed to reduce a load of dirt transferred to the GE washing machine. How to reset GE washing machine? In some cases, it is essential to restore default settings on the GE washing machine. Find below an outline on how to properly reset a GE washing machine. Ensure the system boots properly. To do this, unplug the machine, wait for 15 seconds, then plug into the main sockets again. Finally, allow the device to boot correctly. Now, go ahead to lift and lower the lid 6 times within a time limit of 12 seconds. Ensure the raise to a height of at least 2 inches. This would ensure that the cover disconnects temporarily from the magnetic pull of the lid's sensor. Also, ensure the lid is closed correctly when the top is returned to a closing position. By now, the GE washer motor and central control system has been successfully reset. However, always consult your user manual to confirm which reset method works best for your GE washing machine model. Before you initiate a reset on the GE washing machine, Ensure the underlying problem is not related to hardware issues. These issues include leaking or faulty water inlet valves and water inlet hoses, improperly screwed water inlet valves, and unavailability of water from the primary water supply source. You can quickly fix all these problems by addressing the issues themselves and finding a solution. In essence, only initiate GE washing machine reset when there are no other options. Consider it a weapon of last resort. So, I hope this video helps you to solve the H2O supply error. If you would like to read a blog post about this topic, you can visit our website. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.